I know y'all can't see my black ass, but I'm out here early in the morning, about to go get it in. And shit, you hear them birds? Hear them birds chirping? My ass out here about to go get it in at the gym and shit. I want to wish everybody a blessed day. Today out there on their journey. Be the best you can be. That's all we can do, is do our best. Know when we have God on our side. So everybody just keep your head up out there today. Be safe. I'm going get this workout in. Not to work so hard while I'm out and about today. I don't know what the hell. People zooming past red lights and shit early in the morning. I wish the light was on my phone and shit. Y'all could see me and shit, but it is what it is. Y'all can listen to my beautiful voice. So once again, everybody out there, have a blessed one. Team Gym Life. Hashtag Big Ass Kid. Hit that subscribe. Like my shit. Become of the part of the big nation. The Big Kid Nation. I'm out.